and there was absolutely no pain whatsoever. I can only say the technology that you use now is amazing, absolutely amazing. I didn't have any pain during or after. My name is Robert Winter. I'm Australian. I'm an architect in Australia, and I have worked here for 10 years in Vietnam. I had a full upper denture in my mouth, and I really hated it. It was very uncomfortable, very difficult to eat. I was very depressed. I came to Elite when I was living here, and I found them to be very, very good. So I had no hesitation in coming back. I've never had anything like this done before. And from a little boy, I always hated the dentist. But now, absolutely not. If I wasn't calm, I would have told him, but I was calm the whole way through. Yes, he explained to me what was going to happen all the time, so I knew what he was going to do. And I can only say the technology that you use now is amazing, absolutely amazing. No, not at all. He spoke very good English. I spoke very good, terrible Vietnamese. It's now been, 10 days, I guess, since I've had the operation. Literally 5 days after I had the implants. I could have gone home, but I intended to stay here, and so I've had a couple of checkups to make sure that everything was fine, and they have been. So I holiday to Vung Tau. I think my life will go back to better than it was when I had the denture. I know that it has, because it is now. I've got all the sensations of eating food, good food. I love food. My wife will love me more. Well, you make me feel comfortable. You explain everything, you speak very good English. I know and have been here before. I feel very confident being here. I feel that I'm in the right hands, and you know what you're doing. Don't worry about it. The worry is more than it is expected. You shouldn't worry about it. Elite is very, very professional, very up to date with all the technology. The staff are wonderful.